Everyone's telling you to start a side hustle, but no one tells you what actually works. So here are 5 legit ones that real people are using right now to make bank. No dropshipping, no BS. 1. Faceless YouTube automation. You write scripts or use AI, hire a voiceover, and grow channels that earn ad revenue. It's YouTube, but behind the curtain. 2. Newsletter arbitrage. Curate info in a niche and use platforms like Beehive or Substack. Monetize with affiliate links or sponsorships. People pay for curated knowledge. 3. Digital Notion templates. If you're organized, you can sell templates for planners, content calendars, or study systems. Gumroad plus TikTok equals viral gold. 4. Voiceover work via AI or Fiverr. Got a nice voice? Or willing to use AI tools to tweak it? Audio is in huge demand. 5. Reddit copywriting. Brands are hiring people to write organic viral Reddit posts that get people talking. If you've ever memed on a comment section, you're qualified. Pick one, stick with it for 30 days. You don't need all 5, just one that matches your vibe. Because working 9 to 5 and scrolling 5 to 9 isn't a strategy. Creating is.